zoom in a bit here. A store sells 2 different sized containers of blueberries. The store's sales of those blueberries totaled $896.86 last month. $896.86 last month. Okay. The equation 4.51x plus 6.07y equals 896.86 represents the situation. Okay, I'm going to write it anytime I have these long, let's make this a little smaller. Anytime I have these long equations and these long, written problems, I always start making my own notes because I just want to keep track of all the information they're giving me. And a lot of times it's not that the math is that difficult or, what they want me to do is that difficult, but they're trying to trip you up. They're trying to make it so you're just like, oh, what? I don't know what's going on. Any notes that you need to take to get it sorted in your own head, draw pictures. If you want to draw pictures of the blueberry containers, go for it. Okay, so we're told X is the number of smaller containers sold. Okay, so X is the number of smaller containers sold, and Y is the number of larger containers sold. Okay? According to the equation, what is the price in dollars of each smaller container? So this is more just about us logically saying what's going on. All right, and I'm going to make my own equation. If I said, I'm not even going to look at this for a second. If I said I'm selling blueberries and I have a small and I have a large, and my small costs $2 and my large costs $3, and I sold 10 of the small and 20 of the large, how would I find out how much money I'd made? Well, I would say I would multiply that cost, $2, times the number of containers that I had sold, and I would add that to the cost of the larger times the number of containers I'd sold. And I would say, okay, so 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 20 is 60, so together I sold $80 worth. And what was in this equation? What did I have here? Here I had the number of the smaller containers. Here I had the number of the larger containers. Here I had the price of the smaller containers. And here I had the price of the larger containers. And here was my total. Okay, so it looks like I've created an equation that is very much, erase that over there, very much like this other equation. It's okay, I'm going to put here, this was the total. All right, so if I want to know, what they're asking is, what is the price of each smaller container? Well, in my equation down here, it was this number that was being multiplied by the number of smaller containers. So if I look up here, the corresponding, that would be 4.51 is being multiplied by the number of smaller containers. So $4.51. That's going to be it. That's, and so again, this right here, this kind of thing, don't be afraid to write out something with numbers that are a little more straightforward so you can really get a grasp on these ones where they put these things with multiple decimal points and stuff trying to trip you up. Anything that you can do, any tool you can use so that you can better understand a question, that's a good one. Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.